Hello guys, yeah, I'll be there in a minute. Yep, I hope so that I am audible, guys. Good evening, everyone. This is Yarashank David, and welcome back to Coders Arcade. Welcome back to today's live stream. And today we are going to talk about again DSA. This is session number 17, and today we are going to continue with where we left in the last class. In the last class, we have done DFS, and we have understood that how in binary trees DFS can be done easily, right? So in today's session we will continue this, and I hope so that we are gonna understand about each and everything. We'll continue from the last session and we'll see what all things we can cover up in this session. Now from this session onwards, I'll be increasing up the speed a little bit because I need to finish this course at, as soon as possible, because we cannot just drag this course, right? So from today's class we'll be a little bit fast. While in the meantime, if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. I can see the chats right up there in the screen, and we will continue. Before I start with this live stream, I would like to request you people to please like, share and subscribe to this channel Coders Arcade, and don't forget to press the bell icon also, so that you won't miss any future updates. And also do like and share this live stream, and share this live stream as much as possible, so that people who really know, people who really want to learn DSA should get to this live stream, and they should also be able to learn this with me. I hope so that this is very, very much clear, and I hope so that my voice is also clear, my face is also clear. I hope so, I believe so that you are able to see the screen also. I hope so. Right, let us start. So today what we are gonna do in the today's class, in the yesterday's class, we have quickly revised. Let's revise what we have done. All of this we have done, and by the way, if you are looking for these notes, I have already given the link in the description. I am going to change the details a little bit here. I will update those details a little bit here. Tomorrow I will be doing that. So tomorrow I have some time to do, so I will be doing that. And yeah, so what did we do in yesterday's class? We saw this. Okay. So we saw this tree data structure. We started with tree data structure. Okay. So we started with tree data structure, and we understood this, that tree is a non-linear data structure. It stores the data in terms of nodes. We have concepts like root, branches and leaf. This is how we actually do the terms. We use the terms in terms of this. Okay, apart from this, this is how normally tree looks like. It looked like this, and where you understood that a lot of different nodes are connected to one singular node. This is the root node. The tree always starts from the root node, and all the nodes are connected like this in this format, and all the data is stored here. This is a normal tree where there is no limit of nodes getting connected to each other. Understood? Apart from this, we have understood the types of tree. These are the different types of trees, and there are so on. So here we talked about binary trees, binary search tree, AVL trees, play tree, red and black tree. A lot of different types of trees are there, but we will be covering all these in our syllabus. Okay. So we will be covering binary trees and binary search tree. These are two major things. Apart from this, AVL trees, play tree and red and black tree also will be covered in this live series. Okay. We started with binary trees. We learned a binary tree looked like this. Actually, you will not be able to see it right now because it's already crumbled, and here I told that there are in terms of binary tree, a normal tree looks like this. In terms of binary trees, the number of nodes max to max are connected to a node that can be max 2 and minimum 0 or maybe 1. Okay, we understood the property of this. So binary tree had one node connected, two nodes, then two nodes having more nodes but not more than 2, max to max 2, not more than 2. This is what we have learned. in terms of traversal, we have learned that in binary tree, or in fact in binary search tree, you can do the traversal like this, like BFS for breadth first search and DFS for depth first search. Two types of major traversals are there, BFS and DFS, right? So BFS stands for breadth first search, DFS stands for depth first search. Now breadth first search was straightforward, simple. We just traveled in a horizontal way. We traveled in a horizontal way. Apart from that, in DFS we traveled in the depth wise. So directly in this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and so on. Okay. In DFS, because we are always confused in which direction to go, either in the left or right, we created these rules of pre-order, in-order, and post-order, where pre-order, we have already discussed about all that. We are going to come into that particular point in more details. This was your binary search tree, where we have understood that the number of nodes are, it is a binary tree, but now it is a search tree, where we need to insert the elements according to the data at the root, like that. So in this case, if the root node is 100, then according to the 100, the node will be, the target node will be checked, and according to that it will be, if it is smaller, then it will go into the left hand side. If it is larger than the root node, then it will go into the right hand side. This was the property of this binary search tree. I hope so that you have got my point. Then smaller node on the left and larger node on the right. We understood this. Very good. We will come to this point later on in much depth. Next topic this is going to be. Today we are focused on to more into binary trees, and we will see the traversal and everything into more depth. Okay guys. Now speaking about traversals, we understood that there are two traversals, BFS and DFS, and in BFS we said that it was breadth first search. Breadth first search means travel in horizontal way, breadth wise or level order we used to traverse. And when we used to traverse in that level order, we used this thing. So in this case, what happens is that first this level will be cleared, so 1, then 2, 3, this level is cleared, then 4, 5, 6, 7, this level is cleared. So your answer would come as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 15 and 9, like this. I hope so. This is very much clear to all of you. Okay. Speaking of DFS, I told you there are 3: pre, in, post. In pre-order traversal, what happened? DLR, I told you 3 things: DLR, LDR, LRD, LDR, DLR and LRD. These 3 things, if you understand. Pre means first. When we are talking about first, data will be accessed first. Later on, in order, data will be put in the middle, and in the post order, data will be put on the last, accessed on the last in this case. Okay. Thank you so much, XYZ. Happy Teachers Day, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Let's continue. So here we had this data structure binary tree, and in this binary tree, we had our data like this. So we said DLR means data left right. In this pre, data left right. First you start always from the root and you write here DLR. Cut that D, because D is first, cut that D, print that D, that means data, D for data in this case, and then you go on to the left. Why? Because it is L after that. So left, cut that left, go to left, again write DLR, cut that D and print that D. D means here data, again I am saying, then go towards its left, then again DLR, do the same thing, cut that D, so you printed this. Now you don't have any left, so you cut that L, you can come back, there is no right also, so you come back and you cut the whole thing, and then you come back here, the R is left, you go right inside and then you say again DLR, then do the DLR again part. So this way if you try to do one by one, you see that you will get this output. So your output was 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 3, 6, 5, 9, 6, 9, 15, 9 and 7. I hope so that this was very much clear. Aryan Chaudhary, happy Teachers Day, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for all your love and support. Right. Let's continue. So in this case, this was our pre-order traversal in this tree, DFS. To confirm that this pre-order traversal is, guys, my camera, today also I am operating the camera on my own, so I need to click onto that button. Apologies for that, but it might happen in between sometimes. Okay, first left, then right. Yes, first left, then right. Always remember, Aryan, that first in any case you will go to left and then you will go to right. Data will be changing. Data will sometimes come at left first, or in between, or at the last. But left right sequence will be same always. First left only and then only right. Okay. So in this case, this was the answer, and I hope so that this was to confirm what was, to confirm how, if it was correct. You remember, in pre-order the root will be printed always at the first. In pre-order the root will be printed always in the beginning. I hope so that this is really very much clear. Okay. Next, we have understood about DFS in order now. Now in order, D came in between L and R. First D was there, then L and R. L and R. Data left, right. Now data will come in between in order. Data will come in between. So left, right, left, data and right. So in this case again, when will this series complete? My target to complete this series is by end of this month. Not by end of this month, by the middle of this month. Now I will do a little bit faster, and I will be focused only on to placements and interviews related topics. So I hope so 15th of September, around 15th of September, maybe not 15th of September, maybe around 20th September we will be finishing the series. Sir, I tried to solve data DSA but get frustrated after trying it for 40 to 50 minutes. Keep on working, Aryan Chaudhary, it will be easy. Once you get the heck of it, you will understand. When you don't know how to solve a problem, go ahead and watch a YouTube video or go ahead and watch the solution for it. Once you understand the solution, try to do it with a different style. Maybe you will be able to crack in a different style. It's okay. You don't have to feel sad that you have seen the question and then you have learned. Copying doesn't matter at this point of time in learning. What matters is that you are learning something. Whenever you learn something, you make sure that you try to solve another problem related to that kind of concept that you have learned from the previous problem. This way, you will be able to practice more, and practice makes man/woman perfect. Understood? So, in this case, if you practice, practice is the key to success. You will get succeeded. One day, you will enjoy. So, keep on trying. See the solution, learn it, try to solve another solution related to this. Trust me, trust the process, and it will work. Okay. When I started, when I was a student, at that time also I was facing the same issue, but I understood the solution for this by trying by myself. So I am speaking from my experience. It is going to be very easy. Okay, let us continue here. So in this case, DFS in order. In order, D will come in between. In order, D will come in between. And what will happen is, now again LDR, the same concept you have to do, starting from the root, going towards left first. So now this case, you will not access the data, you will come left, then again LDR, and again left, LDR, then there is no left, so now you will access the data. So first 4 will be printed in this case, and then there is no right, you will come back. Now the data will be accessed here for 2, and then it will go to right. Now right, LDR again, and like this you need to keep on doing until you get their answer, like 4, 2, 8, 5, 1, 15, 6, 9, 8 and 7. 9, 3 and 7. You got my point? Understood this, guys? How to confirm that this is correct? Generally, in this case, your answer would be printed in the, your root will be printed in the answer in middle, exactly the midpoint. And this will confirm that you have done correct in order DFS. You got my point, guys? I hope so that this is really very much clear. Okay. Now today we will continue from here, and what we are going to do is, we'll go back here and let us set this to 100%. Let us say correct. Okay. So guys, now today we are, let me just copy this. Let me just copy this so that I can do post order and I'll be able to copy. And here I'll paste it. Okay, and we will do the traversal together. Okay, so this is our tree. This is our tree. Now in this tree we will do DFS. We will do DFS post order. Final, completed, post order. Now guys, post order means first left, then right, and at last you access the data. So three things guys, DLR, data first, so pre, data in middle, LDR, data in the middle, that is in between, in order. Third one, post order, data at the last, so first you access left, then you right, then you go to data. Understood? So in this case LRD. How do you start? You start from the root. When you start from the root, you write that LRD. What is coming first here? L is coming first here. So you go to left. Okay. Then you write here LRD. What do you access first? The left. In this case, you will cut down this left. You will cut down this left, and you will again go to the left hand side. So you went here, you wrote again LRD. Okay. Now, do you have any left remaining? No. Then you have any right remaining? No. So you access the data. When you access the data, you print the data. Okay. 4 is printed here. This is 4. Okay. Now you came back because everything is over. Now you see there is R, so you go to R, you cut that R, you go to R here, write LRD, and when you do this, you have to go to left first. You will not access the data directly, data will be accessed at the very last. So L will be accessed, and then you will go to L. Here you will say LRD. There is no left, there is no right. Now access the data, so access the data, it is printed. Now everything is over here, you come back here, you go to R, R is not there, you access the data, print the data. Then everything is over here, you come back right here, now you access the data. So now 2 will be printed in this case, and then what you will do, you will say this is done, I will go back here, then you access the right side, and when you go to right side, you go here and then use right, say again LRD, LRD, okay, LRD, and access the left. When you access the left, you go to left, and again here also you write LRD, go towards its left, so you went towards its left, write again LRD, go towards left, there is no left, go towards right, there is no right, access the data. So 15 got printed. Then you came back here, you access the right, there is no right, right is there. So you went to right here and again write LRD, there is no left, there is no right, access the data. When you access the data, you print the data. Then here this is over, you come back here, access the data now. So when you access the data, data gets printed here, and then you come back right here, you go towards its right. When you go towards its right, you say I am gonna write it again LRD, go towards its left, no right, access the data, you printed the data, then you came back from here to here and you access the data. Finally the data is accessed, and then later on at last you came here and finally you cut down this data, finally you wrote down this one. Your answer is 4852159673 I hope so that this is very much clear to all of you. How you will tell that this is correct? you see that the root here will be printed at the very last, and if your root is getting printed at the very last, that means your output is absolutely correct. Let me press the button in the camera exactly at right particular point. Okay. I hope so that this is very much clear. Chandan Kumar Sharma, happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much, Chandan Kumar Sharma. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your love and support, guys. Keep on supporting me like this, guys, so that I can bring a lot of contents to you related to placements, DSA. I'm also working on machine learning content as well. So if you want to, please do hit the like button and share it and do subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Let's continue. Okay. So this was our pre-order, in-order, post-order done. Pre-order, in-order, post-order done. When this is done, we can start writing the code. Let us start writing the code. I want to explain you first. If you want to make a tree, let us say you want to make a tree. You want to make this tree itself. You want to make this tree only. Okay. And this tree is storing the data as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here this is 8, this is 15, and this is 9. Okay. Let us say this is the tree that we need to create. Now in this tree, if I want to write the code for it, look at this tree. Where do you start from? You start by creating the node. Node which one? Root node. So if you want to do that, first of all we need to understand what thing should I use in this case that I will do this. I will create the node. First of all, you need to create the node, just like how we created the node in the linked list, the same class we will use here. So I will start by creating the class. I will start by creating the class node, and once I start creating the class node, this is going to be very easy, and this is going to be the easiest implementation of tree data structure that you would have seen for the very first time. Here you see that class node I am writing, and in the node class, how you used to take the node in the linked list in the public section of the class, you used to say int data, and you used to say node star, next you used to say, right, node star, next you used to say, and you used to say node star prev. I am writing node star prev. You used to do something like this, right? Now do one thing, remove this next and prev and make it left, and make this one right. Done. You see, a node here contains either left or it contains right, plus it contains itself as a data, correct? So either a node will contain left or right and plus its data. So in this case what happens is the node class looks like this, and then you will do constructors. We will define the constructor right here. So what is the node class? Node class is a node, and here we will take the data, and like this we will take it, and in this case we will say this dot or this arrow data equals to data, and here I will say this of next is not next, this of left, this will be this of left is equals to null ptr or null capital, and the same thing you will do with the right. You know what is this class doing, correct? Sorry, same thing here is going to be written. So here in the node class, left and right is going to be there. That's it, and the whole the same linked list node class that you had created, it will be the same. Those people who are confused with this part, what are constructor? Go ahead and watch my C++ object oriented, mastering C++ object oriented classes. It is of 5.5 hours. Session number 2, I have explained you about, session number 2 and 3, I have explained you about constructors and destructors both. This is a constructor we are using here. So go ahead and watch our C++ master. I have only created it as a 5.5 hours lecture where I have explained you all of that in one place. Alright. So, you will start by creating the node class. Now, imagine you have created the node class as well. Once you have created the node class, what we are left with? Inserting the node. So, you already know that in binary trees, you don't have to worry about the position. You can just put any data anywhere. Remember this, guys, I have written the sequence like in the numbers or data in the sequence, but you don't have to worry about putting the numbers or data in the sequence. This is the reason why I have taken a random number 15 here in between, so that I can tell you that you can put any data anywhere. It is up to you. Whichever data you want to put at a particular place, you can put that data there. Okay, there is no hard and fast rule that according to this rule only you need to put the data and this and that. But here in this case you can put the data anywhere, any place. But I have intentionally taken it as in sequence so that it looks nice when I show you the output and you understand it better when any type of traversal is done, in particular on this particular thing. Got my point, guys? So this is how you are doing it. Now the best thing what you can do is you can start by creating another class. You can start by creating another class here. And why we can create a class? We don't have to actually create a class. I can just directly say here, node star, I will create a function here, node star create node, which will create the node. It will actually take up the value, int value as the parameter. This will be the function signature. Just after a node class is done, I can create a function here, okay, and here I can just say node star n equals to new node, okay, and I can put that val. Now next up what I can do is I can just return n. That is the reason why I have taken the return type of that function to create node like this. I hope so that you are understanding what I am trying to explain here. Something happened, my internet gone, and my Microsoft whiteboard stopped working, guys. It came back. Okay, so this did not came back. Okay, let me just show you directly the code and explain you so that it is understood better. Okay, so in this code you see the code is already written here, and in this code what you are going to do is, here I have used this struct node. You don't like structures? Okay, let's do one thing. I'll create a class node. I'll create the class node, no worries. Int data, node star left, node star right. Don't forget about writing the public in the class node. Okay, node class done. Then we need to create the constructor. So node, and I'll put the data, okay, and in here I'll say this dot data equals to data, okay, and this dot or this of left is equals to not left, null, or in C++ if we say null null ptr, I'll say this of right is equals to null ptr. Again, understood this? So this is the class node which we have created. This, doesn't it look very similar to the node class that we have created in the linked list? Yes, exactly the same. That is why I am saying that object oriented programming is really important, because most of the DSA thing can be done directly like this in just one shot. Most of the things looks similar in different data structures in C++ because of its object oriented programming, and that is the reason why we are using it. Understood? Apart from this, we have created the node create node function like this. You see, I don't have to write this anymore now because I have already done this part. What we can do is, I can say node star create node. The return type of this function is node star because its job is to create the node and return that node. Okay, creating the node and returning that node. It is taking up the data because of course when you will say create the node, you need to give the data also, so that the data is put into the created node and that node is returned in this case. So in this case we have started by creating the new node. You already know how we create the new node. I have already explained this into our previous sessions. You can go ahead and watch the first 2-3 sessions and there you will go. Sorry for that, my camera again, I need to click on that button. Okay. So this is how you create the new node, and after creating the new node you will say return that particular new node. So wherever this function is called, it will return that particular new node and that will be the newly created node. Understood this really well? Okay. In the main function we start by creating the node star root, because we know this, that the very first thing that you need to do is create the root node. So I said node star root and I called this create node function right over that equals to. You got my point? What I did? I created the root node and I directly called this create node function, and in this create node function I have passed the data as 1. So the node is created on the root as 1 in the data. I hope so that this is really very much clear to all of you. This is one of the easiest method I am talking about in order to create the binary tree. Okay. Understood? This is very much clear to all of you. Understood? Apart from this, now root is created. Now we just have only one root node. So now you want to create more children of that root on the left and right. Start from the root, go towards its left and say create node. Isn't it? This is very easy, guys. Start from the root, go towards left and say create node. Very easy. And there you pass the data. Do the same thing for right. Start from root, go towards its right and there you say create node. Pass the data. It became very easy. Very much easy. You want to go left, then left child, start from the root, go to left and again go to left, and there you create the node. Like this you can create the different levels. So if I create a different level here, you can see that this is my level number 1, level 1 of that tree. Okay. Then I can create the level 2 of the tree. Understood this? I hope so that this is very much clear. You guys are not saying anything. You guys are not saying anything. Till now whatever I have explained, is that clear to all of you? Because I don't get feedback, I cannot know that are you guys really able to understand what I am trying to teach here. So please keep on commenting also in between and keep on asking the doubts, so that I also get to know that whatever I am teaching here is understood by all of you. Right? Right. So this is level 1, this is level 2, and this is the place where we start the level 3. Okay. So 4 is done, 4 is done. My voice is audible, right? Yeah, hello, yeah, it is audible. People are watching but they are not commenting. Yes. Okay. So now after this, this is our level 3. We will say start from the root. How it was looking? Now see, this part is done. This is level 1. This is done. Okay. This is done. This level is done. This is our level 1. This is our level 2. Okay. This part is also done. We are on to level 3 now. So 4 we have taken. So left, roots, left, root, left, right we need to go. Root, left and right. So I will say roots, left and then go towards its right. And here you say, yes, very clear. Would you help if you illustrate with the diagram? Yes, of course. Roots, left and then right. You see create node. I will call and I will put this 5. Okay, guys, with the diagram. Okay. Acha, YT for TV. Have you understood this part before main? Have you understood this part before main? YT for TV. This part before we started writing the main. If you have understood this, then here we have started by creating the root node. Node star root. First we need to create the root. So we started by creating the root, which is 1 right here, this one. Okay. We have started by creating this 1. Then how I have created 1? I said node star root, created the root of type node star, because we know that roots type is node star. So here I had created a create node function, correct, whose job was to create a node and return the node. Create the root and create the node, new node, and return that newly created node. So I said on the level 1, this level, the first level, the root level, create the node star root. The name of this node is going to be root and equals to, here you call that create node function. As soon as you call that create node function, that create node function will return a new node which will be saved to the root. Data you already have given while you were creating the node by calling that function. Understood this? Correct. So this way we have created our root level, that is, this level is done. Okay. Now you want to create its left child and right child. So it is very simple. In the level 2, you will say from this root, you have already created the root. If you have already created the root, you have created the call create function. This create function is actually using this node class. This node class is having data left and right. That means the create node is the object of that node class, and here root is that new node. That means root automatically possesses data left and right. So can I say that right now, when it is having root, root's left is null and root's right is also null. Getting my point? So in this case, in the level 2, I will start from the root which is already created in the previous level. Root's left I will go, root of left. From this root, I will go towards its left, access root's left, which is right now null. I will say equals to create node there and put the data 2. Got it? And then I said go towards roots right, and there you create the node. Level 2 is done. Level 2 is done. You see it for yourself. This is also done. This is also done. 2 and 3 both are done. Now you need to go for level 3rd. In level 3rd, we need 4 to be inserted from the 2's left. So this is root, this is its left, and this is its left. So root, left, left. You got my point? So here you will say root, left, and then again go to left, and there you create the node, put the data 4, done. Very easy. This is the very easy technique of creating any binary tree. I hope so that you are getting my point. Similarly, we will continue creating it. Now I want to create this 5. So we will always remember root is the starting point. From the root you will always start. Understood? So you will say root, left, and then you will say right. Root, left, right. Okay. So now I have said root, left, right. There you have created the node by calling that again function and passing 5 there. This is absolutely clear to all of you guys. Easy, so easy. Now let us continue creating it. So here I need to create this 6. So where should I go? Root. Now I don't have to go to left. I will go to root, go to right. you came here, root, right and then left. Root, right and then left. So, I will say here in the code, next, start from the root, go towards its right and then go towards its left, and here you say create the node and pass the data 6. Our node 6 is already created. We need to press the button. Wait here guys, 1 second. Yes, we are back. Okay. So, here we created that 6. Then now I want to go to 7. Yes, it is very, very simple. And how easy it is to create a binary tree like this. This is how you will create your binary tree. Literally easy, very easy. If you know classes objects, if you know how to do memory allocation, if you know how to use pointer, done. Basic concepts. Understood? You need this 7. Start from the root, right and then one more right. Root, right, right. Let's complete this. Root, right and then again right. And here you create the node, put value 7. Got it guys? Root, right, right. Very good. Chandan Kumar Sharma. Very nice. Absolutely correct. So guys, can you tell me for this one, 8 on level number 4, can you tell me about this? We will start from root, left, right and then left. Root, left, right, left. So here we say this is going to be level 4. Starting from the root, left, then go to its right and then again go to its left. And here you say create node and pass the data whichever you want to pass in this case. Very clear? Very easy it is, right? You want this 15. Root, right, left, left. Root, right, left, left. Right, left, left. Root, right, then you will say left and then you will say left. And here you will say create node, put value 15. And now what we need to do is last one, right, root, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, root, right, left, right. And here you say create node, put the value 9 and guys, finally we have created our binary tree. The same tree that we have created right here, today we have the same thing. This one is also done. So this same binary tree, congratulations guys, you have created, very easy. This is the code for it. This is the code for it. Simple code, very easy code. Alright guys, I hope so. This is very much clear to all of you. I hope so that this is very much clear. Got it? This is your basic binary tree. Now in tomorrow's class, I will be telling you how to traverse. Traversal part, how we can write this in interviews quickly without diagrams. Practice is the key. YT for TV, practice is the key. Right now, because I am teaching, I am explaining all the things by creating the diagram. But enough practice will allow you to think that diagram in your brain and directly start writing the code in your computer. Practice is the key. You got my point? Practice is the key. Because if you don't do practice, then nothing. You see, today like I have taught this concept like I don't even remember how many times. When I teach, every time when I teach, my practice starts. This is real time live practice in front of you. So practice made me perfect. Now if I want, I can directly just think in my mind and I can just do it. Are you getting my point, what I am trying to say? YT for TV. Got it? Practice is the key. Don't worry, it may take some 5-4 attempts to get the heck of it, but as soon as you get the heck of it, you will be able to do it. Okay guys, doubt clearance session starts. If there are any doubts, please do let me know. I can extend this live session till more half an hour for your doubt clearance. 1 hour teaching, half an hour doubt clearance. I can do that. If you don't have any doubts, we can end up the stream right away. Pranav, sir, come to Reva University. Pranav, are you from Reva? Have I ever come to Reva before for you? Have I ever trained you? I don't remember though. But in which semester you are right now, Pranav? In Reva? Last time I came to Reva, I have taken a lot of classes there for 3rd year and 4th year. We will come to Reva. We will come to Reva. Reva is too far from here, but we will come to Reva. Any doubts, please let me know. Today we have understood about, no doubts sir, very easy concept. Yes. So guys, tomorrow's class will be at the same time, or shall I take it 7th semester? Oh nice. Which branch? Which branch? Guys, people are here in the chat. We can do 2 live sessions tomorrow. We can do 2 live sessions tomorrow. I can come 2 times live for you guys. 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Can we do that? Can we do that? If you want, we can do that. I can come live 2 times, in the morning and in the evening. Biswajit Mohan Patra, sir, I am in my 3rd year BTech. 3rd year BTech, okay. 5th semester, okay, just started. I have already completed backend development. Shall I start DSA right now? You have a lot of time, Biswajit Mohan Patra. You can aram se start DSA. CSE with specialization in cyber security. Very good. DSA can be very useful if you are doing development. It is very important to learn DSA to get or crack any company in today's India. So you need to learn, understand DSA. DSA is very important. This is for placement series. Without DSA, you cannot get a job in development side in India. So you have to definitely learn DSA. You can start DSA right now. You have a lot of time though to go ahead and learn DSA. Okay. Chandan Kumar Sharma, how to find out the complexity, sir? How to find out the complexity, sir? So when we will write the algorithms, there we will find the complexity. Complexity, we never find the complexity of the whole program. We try to find the complexity, the time and the space complexity for a particular algorithm. We have not written any algorithm though. We were just implementing and building it from the scratch. We have not written any algorithm. In tomorrow's class, we will be writing an algorithm that is going to be 2 algorithms, BFS and DFS algorithms. Breadth first search algorithm for all the 3, pre, post and in order. Guys, trust me, it will be so easy. DFS is so easy, literally 4-5 lines over. BFS is a little bit complex, but once you get the heck of it, very easy. Trust me, trust the process. I'll teach you in a very easy way tomorrow's class. Okay. Sir, you taught very well in Reva. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pranav. Oh, for boot camp. Okay, you came in boot camp. Okay. CSE with specialization in cyber security. Biswajit Mohan Patra. Okay. Yeah, Biswajit, as I told you, you need to learn DSA for development if you are going into development. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yep. Happy Teachers Day, sir. Shukrut Kumar. Thank you so much Shukrut Kumar, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting us. Coders Arcade. That we have come to finally we have come to so many subscribers. Keep on sharing and keep on loving us like this. Keep on supporting us like this so that we can also grow into this field. And thank you so much for all your love and support. We could not come till here until and unless we got your support. Okay. And Abhishek BS, sir. Sir, I am very good at Python. Oh, camera got shut down. Okay, we are back online. Sir, I am very good at Python. Do I learn Java full stack developer? Abhishek BS, it is up to you what you want to do. Whatever you would like to do. If you want to do development, you have to learn DSA. If you are doing machine learning or AI algorithm stuffs, you can go ahead in Python. In Python, you have different libraries to learn like numpys, pandas, scikit-learn for machine learning processes. So if you are interested in doing machine learning, AI ML, you can go ahead and do it in Python. Okay, and yeah. Do I learn Java full stack development? If you want to become a developer, of course, Java full stack development is very good. Okay. So this is for you, Abhishek BS. YT for TB. Yes, sir. What is the timings? So timings we need to decide. Yes, guys. Tomorrow I am there in the office only. So tomorrow I can come live 2 times. I can do live 2 times. In morning and evening we can do it together. So tomorrow we'll be able to cover it more as fast as possible and more content in one go. I am planning to finish up both binary trees and binary search trees in tomorrow's class if possible. Okay. So that we can do in the day after tomorrow's class, we can do splay tree, red and black and AVL tree. It may take some time, but yeah, we will do. By the next week, we will finish up the trees concept. Next week, by Monday, we will finish up Monday or Tuesday, we will finish up the trees concept. And then we can start with our STL concept. STL is very important. We will learn about vectors, maps, unordered maps, sets, everything, lists, everything. We will learn about that. Okay, and yeah, for tomorrow morning, that is what? Tomorrow morning I have to decide a timing. Maybe we can come live. Oh, tomorrow morning I have another class. Yeah, tomorrow morning I have a class. Oh, that's an issue. Tomorrow morning I have a class. Can we come live at 4 o'clock? 4 o'clock looks good. 4 o'clock in the evening. Tomorrow 11 o'clock I have a class actually, guys. Sorry for that, I forgot about it just now. Tomorrow I have an offline class at morning 11 o'clock. So I will be busy with the tomorrow 11 o'clock class. Can we come at 4 o'clock in the evening, 4 p.m., 4 o'clock and then come back again at 6 p.m. Okay, 4 o'clock and 6 p.m. We can have 1 hour break in between and then we can again come back and sit for 6 p.m. thing. Perfect. Are you guys okay with that? Happy with that? Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day. So many Happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much. Heartbeat Productions, SSESSENNS. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much. Vishal M. Thank you so much, Vishal. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah. So we can come live 2 times tomorrow, as I was saying. 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. We can do a lot of stuff in tomorrow's class. Plox X, sir, which is better to choose? A good JavaScript development or Java development? And Happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much, Plox X, for wishing me Happy Teachers Day. And it is really up to you. Plox, it is really up to you. If you are good at JavaScript, you can go ahead and do JavaScript with web development side. It is really good. If you are doing Java development, you can do a lot of things in there. You can do full stack, React, and a lot of things you can do. In these days, what I am seeing is in the different companies, they are asking this React and development front end, back end side. So in that case, JavaScript and Java both are perfect, depending upon in which one are you good, or if you want to explore your side of Java development, yes, you can do Java development as well. Right, guys? Thank you guys so much love and support we are getting from you guys. Thank you so much. Keep us supporting like this so that we can grow together. I'll be able to teach you more better. We can improve our content and we can keep making our content. So thank you so much guys. Engagement like this encourages us to come live more often. So if you come live and support us like this, definitely I'll create more and more content, and this motivates me in another level to keep on coming live and teaching better content for you guys, taking out better content for you guys. So many chats. Yeah. You have any more doubts? Guys, I'm here for your doubt clearance. View 2 hours ago, hello sir. Hello Milan, 2 hours ago, hello sir. Hello sir, hello Milan. Well, I hope so. That's it, I guess, for this stream. And no doubts anymore. Doubt session carries on, guys. So if I'm getting comments, I'll keep on explaining you. I hope so that today's live session was my camera again and again it is going live like this. Okay, guys, my battery is about to get over. My battery is almost over only. I need to change the battery, guys. 1 second. I'll be there. I hope so that my voice is coming. Camera's battery got over, guys. I hope so that we are live again. Yup. Okay. We are live again, guys. So nothing happened. People are still there. Our battery, I have changed the battery. Yeah. Are we still live here? Yep. Yep, we are live. Okay, guys. As you can see behind me, we have so many courses to show you. We have come up with so many courses, and also I'll just wait. I'll just focus on to some of the courses here. You see there, we have these courses. If you are interested in learning programming languages, we are doing C, C++, Java, Python, SQL, and JavaScript. We are doing tools as Selenium, Playwright, Tableau, Power BI, CI/CD, Node.js, Jenkins, and our special course contains these things: Java, data science, DevOps, full stack, API testing, machine learning, robot framework, and all these things. So if you are interested in getting this, you can contact us and you can connect with us for more things. We are doing DevOps also, data structures, algorithms, and machine learning. These are some of the prices, but these are the paid courses, and also we are providing placement assistance as well. So still we are on to our placement thing going on right now, so I need to still do it. So we'll see about that, but I hope so that this is very much clear. Okay. So we have started a lot of things, guys. Very soon our channel will be booming with a lot of content here for you guys. So keep on supporting like this and we are able to get it. About the placement things and the internship things, internship will also get started very soon. So for those people who are really interested into this, I'll be posting the link of any type of forms, or we take out anything related to internships. Definitely I will be posting that. Onto the different forms. Okay, so yeah, about that internship, we are going to start with internship also for development as well, and we are also providing the placement assistance here. So we are starting with that. Still we are in the process of getting in touch with companies so that we can provide you placements as well from our side, from Coders Arcade. So if you are interested, stay connected, stay tuned, and also join our Telegram group. I always forget about that. So I'll be putting up the Telegram link in the description also, guys. So please do connect with us on Telegram, where we will be showing you a lot of, and we will be updating you with a lot of stuff there, data there, where I will be showing you, giving you some links to some job openings or any forms for any particular courses that we will be doing. So stay updated. We will be coming up with a lot of courses there, right? Internship is online or offline? It is going to be offline. If you cannot come, then we need to do something about it. We will see. If you are available in Bangalore, our office is based on Bangalore, in RR Nagar, Channasandra. In our this about section of the YouTube, you will find all the details there. In the bio section of the YouTube, you will find all the details there, and our contact number is also given. So if you want, we can connect with on this thing. Alright guys. Crick X Yash, hi sir, hello. We are about to end this live stream. But I hope so. This whole session is recorded, guys, and you can also watch this later on if you have missed it. Crick X Yash. Mohammed Irfan, hello sir, hi Mohammed Irfan. You came late today. Our session is already over and we are about to close the live stream. We are about to close the live stream. Well, any doubts guys? I hope so that this is really very much clear about it. Whatever session we had, it was a very nice session. Thank you so much for being with me in our live session. It's time for closing up the live session, and yeah, that's it. Anything related to C++, data structures and algorithms, anything related to placements, I will be available. I'll be providing a lot of details and stuff like this. Join our Telegram link. I'll soon by tomorrow, pakka, tomorrow I'll be posting up everything on the channel, Telegram channel, and yeah, so stay connected with us guys. Thank you so much. Time for me to leave now, and thank you so much. Keep on showing us the love and support. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you have shown us till now. Keep on doing this, and this will allow us, this will motivate us to keep on bringing more and more such content for you guys. Thank you so much guys. This is Ashank David signing off. No activity in the chat, so I'll be leaving. Thank you guys. Take care. Stay safe. Happy learning. And I'll see you tomorrow. About tomorrow's class, we can do 2 classes as I told, 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. Alright guys. Thank you so much. This is Ashank David signing off. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll end up this live stream.